everyone, it's me Ice, and today I want to show you how I comb my hair after I take a shower using my new favorite serum from Kiehl Stylist Series Silk Bloom Serum. I really like this because, as you can see, I have long curly hair and sometimes it's hard to manage, I'm not gonna lie. So I took a shower, and I also want to show you this brush I bought from Amazon. It's the Crave Naturals. This brush right here, sorry about hair. This is a real life changer for me because I no longer want to buy combs from Target or CVS. Like, I'm over it. I can't do it because my hair is long and curly. I really like and I highly recommend if you have curly hair because it makes it manageable. It's costing around like $8.99 or so on Amazon. This one from Kiehl's cost $18. My hair grew longer. I cut it and then this really helped making my hair even longer up here. This is how long my hair is, and I just got out of the shower, so I'm just gonna back up. And usually I just comb my hair like this, and it makes it very manageable. Grab my silk broom, and I put like 2-3 pumps. This pretty scratchy right here, and I don't like to pull my hair too tight. It's not good. As you guys know, it's not what you want to do. And my hair is still kind of wet, so I'm gonna lightly tie my hair like this, just like that. And that is it. That's how I manage my hair after I take a shower. Like this video, and I recommend that if you have hair like mine, please. This is a life changer, and the Kiehl Silk Bloom. It's a very good product. Alright guys,